Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Infinix. You need to begin by opening Clock app. In it, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on this plus icon at the bottom to add your own. Now set up an hour at the top. When you finished, click on repeat and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. When you're ready, click on OK to save them. Now tap on Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK. Following that, select Ringtone. Over here, you can click on Add New at the top and tap on one of songs from your smartphone, in my case this one, or just select one of those sounds, like After the Rain. When you're ready, click on the back button. Then select snooze and pick how many minutes it will take. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable vibrations for incoming alarm. To save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, click on it, make some changes and discard them by choosing this X, or save them by tapping on the check mark. You can turn off your alarm completely by clicking on this switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm though, you need to click on it, select delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!